Hello guys, how are you? Today I learned by Google how to earn money online with Google AdMove. How do I make money with Google AdMove? AdMove provides a way for Google to help app developers earn more money from their apps. AdMove work by matching ads to your app based on criteria you get. How AdMove works. You create ad space in your app. We show the highest performing ads to your user. You get paid. How much do you earn per day with AdMove? CPM cost per mail. For AdMove, generally ranges from $1 to $20 depending on location and advertisers bidding, so you can earn approx from $0.25 to $5 on any given day. How much does AdMove pay per click? CPM is around $1 or $1 per thousand ad impression click. I have seen as high as $0.25, but it's going to vary on the ad shown. Obviously, the amount and advertiser pays for each click on their ads. Advertisers set CPC bids to tell AdMove how much they are willing to pay for each click. Which is better, AdMove or AdSense? AdMove is used for native applications, so you should use AdMove. Is in this case, AdSense is used for mobile web application. The amount of revenue in an ad-based model really depends on the amount of users and ad requests. Ads can be a good stream of revenue, but you do need the user base for it to take off. How do I create an app for AdMove? The first step to making money in your app with AdMove is getting click apps in the sidebar. Click add app, select the platform of your app, select yes, it's slide on spotted app store, click continue.